This is a typical toilet for an apartment, and as you can see, this is the water line piping. So here, this is the hot and cold water line. So we are using a CPVC pipe. This is the water heater, supply and return piping. And this is the hot and cold water line for shower. And this is the hot and cold water line for the Arabic water closet hand spray or setup. And this is the water line hot and cold for the Western type water closet hand spray or setup. And this is the water line for the Arabic water closet cistern. And this is the water line for the Western water closet. And this is the 1-inch diameter built-in type set of bulb, and from 1 inch we put a reducer of 1 inch by 3/4 inch diameter reducer. And this is the water line for the wash basin.